They still haven't found anyone from the Starlight Cabin. Christmas Eve, 1950, was one of the coldest nights. Snowdrifts buried roads for a mile. 8 people fled to the cabin, seeking refuge. A blizzard raged outside. The group vanished. 20 years later, the snow receded. They found an axe, a journal, and footprints. The axe was bloody. The journal belonged to the group's leader. His last entry read, "We're running out of supplies." Footprints led to the nearby lake, frozen solid. No bodies. No signs of struggle. Only a note, buried in the snow, reading, "They still haven't found anyone from the Starlight Cabin."